I'm sure you've heard the news. Crypto trading can be complex, but not with Jonny Blockchain. Jonny Blockchain is your ultimate partner for automated crypto trading. Our AI-driven bots execute trades seamlessly on both decentralized and centralized exchanges. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Jonny Blockchain has got you covered. With our smart contract security, your funds stay 100% in your wallet. No middlemen, no risks. Plus, our grid bot and retracement tools ensure you maximize profits by buying low and selling high, even in the most volatile markets. And here's the best part. Our pricing is unbeatable. Just $25 a year for unlimited DEX spots and $25 for CEX spots. That's a mere $50 a year for both. But don't just take our word for it. Our track record speaks for itself. With a whopping 98.4% of profitable trades and over $422,754 in passive income earned by our users, Jonny Blockchain is the smart choice. Plus, we've paid out over $25,912 in affiliate commissions. So what are you waiting for? Join the Jonny Blockchain community today and start trading like a pro. Remember, trade smarter, not harder.
If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.